welcome back to this Trini Will Travel. Today I'll be unboxing a suitcase from American Tourister. If you're in the market for a suitcase, hopefully this video will be able to help you out. The suitcase I'll be unboxing is from the Soundbox series, and it's the 77 centimeter size, so that's the largest size, the size that you'll do for check bags. Let's get into the features immediately. So this is a 360-degree spinner, and in 2025 you need a 360-degree spinner. It just makes your life easy, but I was really impressed as to how smooth this was. Like, you see me rolling it, it's because I'm impressed. I'm like, how is this so smooth? Like, the agility was really nice. I really like that. The bag itself is lightweight. If the bag itself is light, you have a little more room to play with when you're packing your bag. I like that it was lightweight, and it has the handles on both sides. So it has the handle to the top and the handle to the side, just to make the bag easy when picking it up. It also has a TSA lock, and I like that it's actually recessed and not really poking out. So I think that was a really cool feature. So the bag itself is also expandable. So when I was looking at the bag, I was like, it's very thin. Like, I like the slim profile fit, but then it's also expandable, so it gives you the extra room, a total of 110 liters. So if you need to overpack, it has the room for you. And again, look how light it is. And I also like that it had this, if you need to rest it on its side, it has that stand as well. So I guess it could stand that way. Opening the bag, it has this zip, which has this waterproof feature. So you can put toiletries, anything that may tend to leak. And the other opening. Now, this is the first time I've seen this side with the zip actually has, what you call this pouch, and it's expandable. And what I like is that it has two zippers. Some bags I've used only has one zipper, which is sometimes annoying when you have to use this one zip. So I do like that it came with two zippers. And on the other side, again, it has the, I guess, the secure part for your clothes, and it's elastic. The only thing I'm worried about is I'm wondering if it will become too stretchy, but the elastic itself seems firm. And then there's also this side pocket here. I never know what you should put in there, but there's that. And then there's the instructions to show you how to set your password. But yeah, honestly, I'm really impressed with the bag itself. And yeah, look at me playing with the wheels again, because I'm like, how is this? So you see how it just rotates? Like, this is how a 360-degree spinner works, but some bags, it's not this smooth. And this is the design on the bag. So I think they call it Soundbox because of how it looks like, I guess, like a sound wave. This is the height of the bag. This is the height of the handle. So pretty good, pretty agile, works pretty well. And with the bag, you also have the option, it's an additional cost, but to get the luggage tag with your initials. So my husband got his initials with it. And it is, I find that it's pretty good quality, and it's crazy with how well it color matched to the bag. Like, legit, it's the same color as the bag. So it's just like a little leather tag, put in your details, and you have everything. So I would say that I'm pretty impressed with the bag. Well, this is just an initial review. We haven't put it to the real test as yet, but so far I'm impressed. And once we use it, I'll give you all an update as to how it held up.